And finally, we got the breakout from our level of resistance as we discussed earlier, guys, on our video that we did 4 days ago. We said the $5.50 around this orange line, we're gonna have our breakout. Hopefully you saw this video, guys, because today we have the breakout and we want our hunter for entry exactly around the $5.50. And guess what? We've got a huge buying pressure that took us around the $6. That's why we pull him back right now. 88 million worth of volume for nio. So let's dive deeper and discuss nio price action for the next month, because this is just the beginning for nio. And let us discuss where the price will reverse again. Is this too late for us to buy again? If you didn't watch our video before, what we should not we should do right now, are we gonna have a pullback or a continue for this formal price action for nio? So guys, if you don't want to miss the action, of course, hit the like, subscribe, and hit the notification in order to not miss my future updates. And if you want to hit the notification, it's really simple. You just subscribe, and if you can join, of course, our Hunter channel, you can have access to our live streaming and many perks like pre-market watch list every day before the market open, because usually we got a breakout and mini squeeze in the pre-market. And of course, you can join us either on YouTube membership, or of course on our Discord, where we gonna discuss mini stocks, as you can see here, chart analysis update and live streaming every day around 7 a.m. Eastern time. So for now, what we should do, the good thing is we reversed before our bottom the $4.76. We broke the $5.50, and guess what? We jumped after that at the market open 10%. We discussed this exactly on our live streaming today. We said today we have to see the 10%. Right now we actually around the 12% up. So this is more than enough for us for today for nio, because usually nio jumping up and down just 4-3%. Today we have a confirmation for a reversal after jumping 12%. The main question right now, is that it? Are we gonna have a pullback down, or we gonna have another jump up? The main answer, or the simple answer is, if we want to continue higher and confirming that the buyer, the big whale that bought here, is still there, we need to hold over the $5.50 and then break the $6, which is the current resistance where the short seller came in. So now, even if we pull back around the 570, will be even perfect, guys. If we held over the $5.70 and continue higher, this is will make us have a gap up by tomorrow, before even the end of this week, and before the end of this month, to go toward the $6.38 and just below the $7. So this is my target actually for nio before the end of this month, and give us another 15%. So give us total almost 30% reversal in few days. So this is a phenomenal performance for nio. Of course, after the jump down, after the pullback down almost 35%. So we're gonna have a good reversal, and at least gaining back what we have lost back here when around the end of September, when we talk about this resistance. Of course, in the big picture, we said we gonna have a pullback eventually, because we still inside a bearish channel for nio. So we didn't break the bearish channel in the big picture. That's why we want our traders to take profit here, because we anticipated the pullback coming up pretty soon, and it happened, and now we're reversing, and of course we're still holding the current bottom over the $5.50, which is the new bottom support that we should hold before the end of this month. So you got the levels, guys, that we have to watch out for. So put alert right now around the $6, and of course around the $5.50, because those two levels to warn us about either a big buyer coming in, which is breaking the orange line around the $6, or a big seller coming in to short nio, which is $5.49. So just put alert there around $5.49, and the other one around the $6.01 to confirm either breakout up or breakout down. And of course, In any case, we'll be ready either to buy the next dip or buying the next rep toward almost the $7. Guys, let me know in the comment section below. Are we gonna have the $7 before the end of this month, or are we gonna consolidate below the $6 until the next month? Then we're gonna go toward the $7. So let me know in the comment section below. And join us, of course, tomorrow on our live streaming around 9 a.m. Eastern Time. If you live in Europe, guys, remember, we're going to go live earlier because of daylight saving. It means we're going to be early on the live streaming around 2 p.m. CET instead of 3 p.m. CET. And our Discord and Patreon is around 12 p.m. CET instead of 1 p.m. CET. Just in case if you you see our live streaming a bit early for today and you wondering why, it is daylight savings. If you live in the United States, nothing changed. The time is the same. So thank you for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, and see you by tomorrow.